Difedereishene tsa basebetsi di batla ho nkwe mehato kgahlanong le batho ba amehang tlaleho ya khomishene. Di bona ha ho nkwa ha diqeto tsa bollotsana mmusong e le sona se putlamisitseng dikhamphaneng tsa mmuso.
It's critical for the ruling party, the ANC and other parties whose public representatives are implicated to be removed, to go and face the courts and to clear the names or to be found guilty. But we should not be having compromised persons in positions of authority in the state, etc.
Jobs that we lost as a result of how state-owned enterprises were mismanaged and opened up as a bank, basically, for the cronies to loot from and to destroy the future of many workers in Tebello and SAA, Brasa, Petro SA, you name them all. We want to see people in prison.
Saftu ere seabo sa mopresidente Ramaphosa le sona se tlameha ho shejwa ka lihlo le ntjhotjho ke khomishene.
We hope that the commission will say something about the serious allegations made by the likes of Machela Koko, Brian Molefe about the role of the president and the possible conflict of interest in his capacity as the head of government business.
Afrika Borwa e ntse e lebelletse ka tjantjello e kgolo ho phatlalatswa ha tlaleho ya ho qetela ya khomishene ya Zondo.